day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. Dollar yen on the daily chart, we can see that it's still very bearish. It's a very bearish move, and market did retrace back into the previous sell zone, which I had already took profit previously. Alright, so head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can also see that this sell zone is being respected. Alright, market retrace back up. For traders to reconsider. Traders of harmonic pattern graduate, in particular Forex 100 SWMP certification course, have you spotted the trading opportunity? If you have not, you can definitely pause the video and do your analysis before continue watching this. Head down to the 1-hour chart. You can see there are very strong bullish movement. Alright, so over here, what you can do is that you can wait for a deeper movement and a retrace up for a double top trading opportunity if selling is your trade plan for this setup. Alright, and the setup look pretty sideways for a 1-hour trader. Alright, back to the daily chart. I'll share with you my analysis. My analysis remain unchanged. Looking for a buying opportunity at 10554 as a counter trend trading opportunity. Head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, take note there's a 50 buying opportunity that I did not engage a trade. Market went all the way up. We test the previous high. Second entry for the shark pattern. So once the market open, because I have a fantastic reward is to risk. Once the market open on Monday, I'll engage the trade right away unless the market gap up or gap down. If not, I'll engage the trade. Head down to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, this is what I have. Nothing much, nothing particular for me to look for. Of course, alternatively, if the market gap down, as long as never break or never touch the bottom line over here, I'll wait for a retracement for a better engage trading opportunity. That's all I have for you today. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us on Facebook Live this Wednesday, 6:08 PM Singapore time. The link is right at the bottom. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.